Hello everybody, this video is about how to submit assignments in our Blackboard classes. It's good no matter which of my classes you are in, but we're going to use one of my Blackboard classes for an example. All right, so this is my literature, African American literature class at SWIC. However, as I said, this video will work for any of our classes. The first thing you have to do is log into your Blackboard class, select the class for which you want to submit the assignment, and then on the left we have our list here of all the different things that we can do within that Blackboard class. In this class, I'm looking for the link that says assignments. In my 101 class, it might say composition assignments. In my writing classes, it might say writing assignments, but it will always say assignments to some extent. When I click on the assignments link in this class, the very first assignment pops up, and it's a literature criticism essay. This is the essay that I want to submit. So all I have to do to submit this paper is click on the title of the assignment and it'll open up our submission page. You see here, it even says click here, so it lets you know. If you're in one of my English 101 classes, it'll probably say E1 or E2, standing for Essay 1 or Essay 2. But you want to click on that title link, and you see this icon, the assignment icon is always right next to it to help you determine where that is. All right, so once you have opened this upload assignment link, it repeats the information so that you can double check and make sure you're submitting what you intend to submit, what I asked you to submit. But the part you really want to get to is this part in the middle. See right here, my crazy circle, right? Where it says submit assignment, right? The most important part of that is the part that says browse my computer, okay? That's really what we want to do. All right, so in order to submit the assignment, we are going to attach the paper as a Word file or a PDF if possible. I know that it says you can submit all kinds of things, but it's my experience that those two formats work the best. In order to do that, I'm going to push browse my computer, and then I'm going to find the assignment that I want to submit wherever you have it previously saved, okay? So for me, I am going to pull up the paper example. I know that it's attached because I see that in the link category right here, right? So I know that it's put the name in there, and that works awesome for me. That's what I want. Now, in some of my classes, I also ask you to answer reflection questions. So you can always put those in the comments box. That's where I would prefer them. In all of my classes, if there is something that you want me to know before writing that paper, you should definitely put it in the comments box, whatever that might be. Whether you had a great time, a wonderful time, a horrible time, whether you did it in 5 minutes or you spent 3 days on it, whatever you would like to share, feel free to do so. So I'm just going to put in here comments. So you'll see what it looks like when I press submit. So once I've attached the paper and I put in the comments, all I have to do is press submit. All right, so when the paper pops up and I can see it after it's loaded, this is taking a second here, right? The paper will be right here in the middle. Awesome, right? And at the side, I'll be able to see the comments. This is exactly what I want you to see when you are in your Blackboard shell and you have submitted your papers. All right. Couple other things to note while I have it here. One, in my classes, you can resubmit assignment as many times as you need to up to the due date. So after you submit the assignment, you'll see a little, normally it's a blue button that says start new. If you need to resubmit, just push the start new button, go back into the assignments page, upload another copy of your paper, or add comments, whatever it is that you need to do. Note that your previous submission won't be erased. So for example, if you upload your paper and you think to yourself, oh, I forgot to write a comment, when you press start new, you don't have to re-upload if you don't need to. You can just do the commenting part. Also, if you're not turning in a document to me, if you're turning in, for example, a video or a website of some sort, you can always use the comment feature to put in a URL if the video is posted on YouTube, if that's easier for you. Otherwise, you'll just need to browse your computer and select the MP4 file for which you're submitting to me. In the same regard, if you're submitting a PowerPoint for some reason, that would be the same thing. Just browse and attach the file. Okay, so that's about it for how you submit assignments in Blackboard. I hope this was helpful to you. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please email me, and have a blessed day.